WheelchairTraveling.com presents the Azores. In 2023, I flew to the Azores' biggest and most accessible island, São Miguel. Airport access was impressive through the MyWave program. A lift got me on and off the plane. The most accessible transportation is provided by the Azores for All tour company with 2 vehicles. Otherwise, there are regular taxis. The Azores' subtropical environment keeps things green. Beef and dairy are an Azores specialty, so cows are everywhere. Overlooks are along the road. Geothermals are common. Like at the Lagoa das Furnas, where the famous stew is cooking slow with volcanic heat. A boardwalk may be accessible to some for a closer look. Around the lake is beautiful too, where there is some access. The Lagoa das Sete Cidades is also beautiful. Visit the tea plantation. At the Terra Nostra Hotel, visit the gardens with wide, barrier-free paths. Many paths are paved, but some are not. Side paths are more narrow. I love it here. Is this epic? I think so. Inclines also exist, so ask for a push guide at the gate. Street access varied, but found there are ways of getting around. It's easier to get around the Azores with a manual wheelchair. Spaces get tight. So many sights and attractions. By the harbor, the surroundings are flat and more accessible. This is just a piece of the Azores, so come see it for yourself. More information about the Azores and more at wheelchairtraveling.com.